You gonna pose? Ostrich. You could smell this coming, couldn't you?
Oh, I'm good.
Isn't he pretty? That's a Bengal. I got stuff.
That's
That
a
one.
bear. It's not a Bengal.
No. You want some?
You're a bear.
Here.
Hold on, I have to take pictures for booze. Eddie, take a picture of the bear. You are
Oh.
bad, Eddie.
You gotta throw it. Here, this one's lazy. She won't move. You're sitting on it, fat thing.
What do you mean? It's a bear. She's eating it. Eat yours.
They can't reach through.
Hi, I have things for you. I am fat.
Hard.
I
There you go.
just hit a bear in the face with a peanut.
That's okay. Now hit her. Sorry. Gotta keep it equal. She won't move. You gotta
said
hit
hard.
her.
You got one. I like you. Take pictures.
I am taking video.
She's lazy.
How am I supposed to?
Watch. Let me show you.
Hey, look at Barb.
I know. See, we bonded. Look at him. We gotta save some for the monkeys too.
Don't.
Yes, we
They're
do.
bears.
Oh.
No, there's more.
I got that on camera.
Such a.
Him sitting is as tall as me standing.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
He's awesome.
It's hot, I know. You need a bathtub. Am I supposed to throw it in your mouth?
Give me something to throw. Oh my gosh.
You want that? You want him up? Here you go, Jenny. He's posing.
No, I have him.
Oh, okay. Here you go.